disturbing information this morning from my location about what I'm about to tell you and what is happening in Finland. Also, what I want to say is not alleged. It's not alleged, but reality. But it might be or may not be the case. I know the reason why I'm laying the foundation from beginning, so you don't say you didn't hear when I say it may be or may not be. First of all, I want to begin with this. The information that I got this morning, which we are not aware, we never knew about this. I'm going to say this and then explain why it could be a big problem for us. First of all, remember the upcoming protest which is going to take place on the 9th of May 2025 in Helsinki, Finland, for the unconditional and immediate release of our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. This very broadcast that I'm making right now will be centered on the protest. I want you to pay attention, because it is very, very imperative you know what I'm about to say. You know what I'm about to reveal. So that those of you who are not even, planning to attend the protest, those of you who are still contemplating whether to go or not go, you will have no any other reason or option than to attend the protest and make it a massive one. Pay attention. There are heavy powers working against the Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. Remember, a couple of days ago, not even quite long, I gave you a certain news that European Union, behind pressure on Finnish authority to silence Simon Ekpa. I gave you the evidences which you have seen already on this screen. How the European Union is conspiring with the Zoological Republic of Animal Kingdom, Nigeria, to mount pressure on Finland for them to silence Simon Ekpa because of their interest in the not just oil and gas sector in the zoo, but also on the solid resources which is also deposited on our soil. Because I don't think the ones in the north and the ones in the west are inclusive. I'm not sure about that. It's all about what God has given us. The endowment in our land has been a problem for Power Torso over so many decades in our lifetime. I am telling you, because as I'm speaking to you, they are mining golds and diamonds in the north and west, individually, secretly, and illegally. But whatever we have here in Biafra land is what the Zoo and Fulani are using to survive as individuals and government. What a shame. What an irony. Now we are getting to the main topic. Even on that same news, I also said that Britain do no longer have what it takes to mount pressure